Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen as I'm sharing my weight loss journey since March, which I have managed to lose about 11 kilos without exercise because I've been having some back problems. Today I'm going to make a very simple chicken curry. It looks white and bland. It's got just very little oil, but it tastes yum. Even if you have it with a little bit of rice or roti, it is very satiating. So I'm going to make it with the basic ingredients like dahi, adrak, lasan, all these kind of things. Give it a try. First try it exactly how it is. If you don't like it, you can always add other things to it. Shall we start? This is 1 kilo chicken. I'm going to marinate this. I'm going to add some salt to taste, some garlic paste, some ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of dahi, and a little bit of pepper powder. And I'm going to give it a good mix. You can keep it overnight, but a couple of hours is good enough. Heat a pan. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. I always find mustard oil healthier, and again, as a Bengali, I love it. And you don't need too much oil in this because the dahi itself will let out a lot of oil. Take some garam masala and just add it. 2 full onions because it's 1 kg chicken, so I'm going to add the onion and cook it for a while. The thing about weight loss, I've realized that we always feel that food will be more tasty when there's a lot of oil, which is actually not true. This is something I've figured out. This is going to be equally tasty and very satisfying. Now I'm going to add some ginger paste, some garlic paste, and 4 slit green chilies. How spicy you want it is really up to you. Now when it looks like this, I'm going to add salt to taste and some cumin powder, as in jeera. A little sugar, which is optional, and then we cook this with a little bit of water. I'm going to add my chicken now. And I'm going to cook this till the oil separates. Now the chicken is ready. I'm going to add some hot water. I really like a lot of gravy. Add a few green chilies from the top if you like it to be spicy, and a little garam masala. Give it a good mix. When it comes to a boil, cover and cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes are over and the chicken is ready. It smells amazing. It looks bland, but trust me, it is really, really yum. Now this is a chicken that I've made. I need one more katori la. Chicken ke liye. I call it Dewy kacha lonka chicken, which is very simple and very yummy. I just have one piece with the gravy. I love having this with rice. Even with portion control, something healthy but extremely tasty is important. Do give this chicken a try and let me know how you liked it.